Hi everyone, this is your Pradeep Chaudhary. Today I would like to explain about determiner. So we can use determiners before the beginning of the noun phrase. If you see the definition, a modifying word that determines the kind of reference a noun or a noun phrase. That means we can use before the noun phrase. And regarding the kind of reference a noun also. And if you see another definition, a word like the and this or some that comes at the beginning of a noun phrase. So we can use determiners before the beginning of the noun phrase. And if you see types of determiners, so if you see first one, article. Article is a word that modifies or describes the noun. What it is doing here? It is modifying and describing the noun. So in article two types are there. One is indefinite articles a and the second one is the definite articles the. So here what these are two articles are doing? These two articles are modifying and describing the noun. If you see the example, the sun rises from the east. So here the sun is modifying and describing the noun. So it became the determiner. And the next one, quantifiers. So they are the adjectives or phrases that serve to answer two possible questions. So regarding these quantifiers, what it is able to do? It is able to answer for the two possible questions. And if you see here, how many, how much, to ask questions, in this way we can use these quantifiers. If you see few words, much, a little, a bit, these are the some words, a great deal of. And if you see examples, they aren't students in the library. So here many, this many is talking about the students and many is modifying and describing the noun. And here many is present before the noun phrase. So it will become the determiner. Next one is the demonstratives. So these demonstratives, they describe the position of an object seen from the speakers. Okay, they describe the position of an object seen from the speaker's point. If you see here, this, that, these and those. These are the words of the demonstratives. Okay, if you say example, could you bring me those books I left in the garden? Could you bring me those books I left in the garden? So here those is modifying and describing the noun and it is present before the noun phrase. So it became the determiner regarding the demonstratives. So demonstratives work is describing the position of an object seen from the speaker's viewpoint. And the next one is the numbers. Okay, cardinal and ordinal numbers. Cardinal 1, 2, 3. Ordinal first, second, third. Possessives. So possessive pronouns and adjectives indicate who an object belongs to. So all these possessive pronouns and adjectives indicate who an object belongs to. Who an object belongs to. If you see some possessives, mine, yours, is, hers, it, my, your, is, are and it. These are the possessives. And the next one is the defining words. Defining words. They indicate which thing or person is being referred to. Being referred to. Which and whose. These are defining words. These are the defining words. Next one is the difference words. They refer to something different or remaining or more. Other and another. Referring something different, remaining or more. These are the difference words. Next one is the distributives. The words all, both, of, each, every, either and neither are known as the distributives. Next one is the predeterminers. All of, what, such, rather, quite, twice, double, both. So all these are the types of determiners. So all these determiners are modifying and describing the noun. And all these types of determiners are present before or beginning of the noun phrases. In this way, we can use all these determiners to modify, to describe the noun.